Okay, so this is the machine you can borrow from Borrow Don't Buy, and I just thought I'd show you how to use it because the explanations online are very helpful. So first you need a solid table, and you use their clamp and maybe a book or something under it because it might damage your table. And then you have to buy one of these packs from the link that they give you on their website, and you get these metal backing plates and the pin and also some blank labels. So these are the right size for these. I have just put one of the labels on and one of our co-offer ones on there for. It's the wrong size, but just for the purposes of showing you. So you also get these clear transparent film, and you lay it on top like that. So this has got two sides. One side is for the film to get wrapped around the metal, and then the other side is for the back to be attached. So firstly you need to wrap the film around the metal. So you lay that on there. This is the side with the thin rim. So you lay that on there, and then the plastic sheet fits on top. And you push this all the way over to the right. It won't go any further. And you lay that in there. Then with a bit of force, you push it down all the way. And you'll notice that the badge has then gone. And what's happened is it's stuck up there. So then you tip this upside down. You put your badge in, ready to be attached. So remember to put the pin face down. You put it back in, and this time you pull this pin towards you, and it won't go any further. So that's over to the left if you're looking at it. And then again, with a lot of force, you push it down and it clunks like that. That's why you need it clamped to the table. You might need an adult to do that. And then you push it all the way back up again. That's really quite stiff. And when you pull it out, your badge is attached.